CopyQuick has two copiers. One can copy a year-end report in 20 minutes. The other can copy the same document in 30 minutes. How long would it take both machines working together to copy the report? So the first thing we want to do is familiarize ourselves with the information. The first copier does the document in 20 minutes. The second one does it alone in 30 minutes. We want to know how long it takes them working together, so let t equal the time together. Now, what that means is that the first copier, which takes 20 minutes, its rate is one document per 20 minutes. If it works for t time, then the amount of the document that it copies is t over 20. For the second copier, its rate is one document in 30 minutes. It's going to work for t minutes, and therefore it copies t over 30 of the document. Now together, we know that they are going to do the entire document. So together, they do one document. So to translate that, which is the second step in our process, we take together, which is t over 20 plus t over 30, and that's equal to the one document. So now what we do is we multiply both sides by the LCD, which in this case is 60, and we solve this equation. And that's the carry-out step of the process. So we're going to multiply both sides by 60. Here we distribute the 60, and we have 60 times t over 20 plus 60 times t over 30 equals 60. We see that 20 will divide into 60 3 times, leaving us with 3t. 30 divides into 60 twice, leaving us with plus 2t, and that's equal to 60. 5t equals 60. Dividing both sides by 5, we get t equals 12. So it takes them 12 minutes to copy the document. Very quickly, to check that, you could substitute that back in for the value of t, and you would find that, in fact, if they both work for 12 minutes, they will copy the entire document. And therefore, we can say, working together, they copy the document, or copy it in 12 minutes.